Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install this VS Code extension Cline on your local system. You can use the same instructions for Windows, Linux, Mac or wherever you have installed VS Code, as all the extensions and VS Code are the same everywhere on every operating system. This extension Cline has been rebranded from its predecessor Claude Dev, and I already have covered that Claude Dev in extensive way on the channel. So if you're interested, please have a look. But for this one, we are just going to install this Cline on our VS Code, and then we will go from there as how it works. Now, you can use this client with Ollama and various other API providers. I will be showing you how you can use it with Ollama, but as we always have been very transparent and neutral on this channel, so I will tell you this heads up upfront that it's really not good at all with Ollama based or any open source models. This VS Code extension client works only decently with Anthropic Claude's model or somewhat okay with OpenAI's models. And both of them, as you know, are API based and paid options. They are not free at all. And this could get pretty expensive very quickly, even with the smaller code bases. So just if you're using the Anthropic's Claude or OpenAI's API key, be very aware of your cost, because that could just give you a bill shock. That is why I believe that AI assistants, especially the coding assistants which run locally, it is a must to use local models with Ollama or any other API providers. And there are few ways you can set other API providers with Cline or previously Claude Dev, and I will also show you how you can do that. So that's out of the way. We'll be using Ollama, of course, and I will show you which model performs decently or somewhat okay with this one. Anyway, so first up, let me open my VS Code editor. So you can see that this is my VS Code editor, and by the way, I am running this Ubuntu 22.04, but as I said, doesn't matter which operating system you are running. This VM which I am running has been sponsored by Massed Compute. Also, they have given me the GPU for this. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on good prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description, so please do check them out. And I will also give you a 50% coupon code on range of GPUs, and you won't get a better deal than that. You can check out the video's description. Okay, let's go back to the client. And by the way, if you have used Claude Dev before, there is not much difference between that and this. So Cline is the new name, so I believe that stands for CLI and editor. As per its GitHub repo, it can handle complex software development tasks. So whatever you can do with a model, Cline can do that. It has done some prompt engineering magic behind the scene where it performs a lot of tasks. They also have recently added few new features where you can create and edit files, you can execute commands directly in your terminal, and also you can do the web development task where Cline can launch the site in a headless browser to capture screenshots and console logs, which allows it to fix runtime errors and visual bugs. Another cool thing is that you can run it entirely in read-only mode if you don't want it to access your local system. Okay, so that said and done, let me launch my VS Code. Also make sure that you are running the latest version of VS Code. Otherwise, there are many features which won't work. So if I go to help and go to about, you will see that I am running the most latest version, which is 1.94.2. So please make sure that you are using it. If you don't know how to upgrade VS Code, I already have done a video on it. Please check it out for every operating system. So you should be able to easily upgrade your VS Code to the latest version. And then you can see that I have just opened up a directory called as my code, and there is a file called as test.py, which is all empty. And then just simply click on left hand side on extensions here. These are VS Code extension. Just search for Cline, and then you will see there is a Cline there which is previously Claude Dev. Click on install here. Let's wait for it to get installed, and that is all done. And you can also click here on settings to change the VS Code settings. But as you can see, that on the left hand side Cline's icon has appeared. So click on it and the Cline will open on the left hand side. That is done. Let me also open that folder again where I have that my code. So I'm just going to open this local folder on my local system. And if I go here on the files, you will see that I have this test.py open. Okay, let's go back to this Cline here. Now, first step you need to do is to, of course, set your model. You see there is a wheel icon or settings at the top on the left where the Cline is. Click on it. And from here, you can select your provider. So it supports OpenAI, Google's Gemini, Ollama, and few others. So select Ollama from here. Now, if you don't know what Ollama is, then please search my channel. I have done more than, I guess, 800 videos on Ollama. So Ollama is one of the easiest and fastest way to run large language models locally. In order to install it, simply click on this download, and then for Linux run this command, for Windows and Mac download its executable, and then go to models. From there I have seen that it works okay with Coin 2.5 dash coder model. So select this and then just run Ollama run Coin 2.5 coder. Copy this command, go to your terminal. This is my terminal. I already have Ollama installed, by the way. If I do Ollama list, you will see that I already have this Coin 2.5 running. If you don't, simply run this command, Ollama run, or maybe Ollama. You can do Ollama pull, and then you should have Coin 2.5 coder running on your local system. So I already have done it, as you can see here. So go back to your VSCode and then select API provider as Ollama, and then you will see that it automatically will detect that Coin 2.5 coder is there. Once that's done, just click on done, and now you are all set and ready to use this Cline VSCode extension as an AI coding assistant. Let me show you a quick example too. And before I do that, let me also give a huge thanks to our sponsors of the video, which are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. It is resilient, reusable, it structures output according to the shape of your query, and it works on any page, even behind authentication. And with its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content very easily. Okay, so that we know now. Let's go back here and then let me play around with it a bit. Now for this, I'm just giving it a sample prompt. I'm asking it in the bottom left that create me a simple Python Flask app and run it locally. The app should display hello world in browser. If any errors, fix it and rerun it. You can use the existing add file. So this is something they provide. So you see it is running at the moment. It is telling you some of the stuff. So it says that it wants to read this file. I'll say approve here. Let's wait for it. I'll just say approve. And then you see it is started creating Flask app there. How good is that? And you can save it, and then you can of course iterate through it and create your application quite easily. So that's it guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this new Cline. As I said, it is okay, but you know, I haven't shown you when you start talking with it. There are few issues where it can't do partial file edits. It has to rewrite it, and then it starts throwing errors. There are some bugs around JSON. So I'll be very transparent. As soon as it really gets something serious and complicated, it just simply stops working with Ollama based model, which are the quantized versions of the model. And of course, maybe there is no match for that, but I have seen some of the extensions out there which work perfectly well with the Ollama based models, like we have Continue and few others, and I already have covered them on the channel. But I'm more than sure this tool is going to grow and evolve further, and these limitations will be taken care of. But for now, if you want to use Cline in a production environment for some serious programming development, you would have to use the API based model, especially the Anthropic model, Claude, Sonnet, and all that stuff. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks a lot for your support and thanks for watching.